What should I shoot at now? There's some birds over there.
Oh, we're just shooting.
Okay. What should I shoot?
There's a bird on the... Here's a bird.
There's a lot of them.
But watch out, because that's... There's a trailer over there too, right? Okay. Okay, that's far enough. Hey,